Hello and welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. I'm going to take you for a little roam around the tower. There's a special offer on for September for tickets, so I thought we would go and have a little look inside and see what you can have a look at and what you can buy and what you can go in. I thought it was going to rain this afternoon, so I thought it'd be somewhere nice to go out of the water. And as you can see, it's not. It's fine open, the sun's come out. Anyway, nevertheless, we're going to go and explore September Savers at the Blackpool Tower. So come with me, let's go and have a look, shall we? You've probably seen it reported in the media and online that Blackpool Tourism Limited is now operating the Blackpool Tower. Blackpool Council own all of this building and various others in the town, and Merlin have been operating it for the last quite a few years. It's quite a long time. I've forgotten just how many years, but the council have taken operation of it back in-house through their wholly owned company called Blackpool Tourism Limited. So they now operate the tower top, which is all the way up there, and you can see loads of people actually standing on the glass platform. It includes the dungeon, which is this one here, which I have to say is very good. It includes the circus, and it also includes Madame Tussauds. So these attractions are all now managed and controlled and operated from within the town itself, which is really good news. We'll be very disciplined and go across the crossing. So we're going to go and have a little look and see what they're doing. So starting in September, which way are we? Way in. Starting in September, they've introduced a Super Saver ticket. We're going to go and have a look and see what's to do. So this is the main entrance, which is marvellous in itself. These pieces of original artwork are beautiful, and it brings you into the main reception desk. So the circus is over here, and the dungeon is round this way. So there's amusements down here. So the public areas of the tower, you can come in and you can use the amusements, you can go in the gift shop, you can use all this without having to pay any admission fee. So there's games and bikes and slots and whatnot. A little gift shop. There you go. Little pub. There's a gift shop as well somewhere, and toilets, and then the circus entrance down here. I didn't know these were tucked around this corner. These are the same ones as the ones in the doorway. They're beautiful. They're as old as me then. They were done in the same year that I was born. New promenade frontage. Unique mosaics by Jean Mount to celebrate the redesign. 11 produced in total. I didn't know there were so many. They really are lovely. That one's nice, I like that one. Really vibrant, aren't they? Beautiful. So all the building is full of all these original features, like these glazed ceramics. And you can see all the original stonework and brickwork. And I mean, just imagine casting all this in original terracotta. It's worth coming in just to look at the building. There's a coffee shop on level 5. Might be as well going up in a lift to there. And then this is the entrance to the circus. So you can walk round. You can walk round in the building without having to pay an admission fee. And as I said, you can go to the gift shop, and there's amusements on various levels. And there's a coffee shop. There's a Costa coffee shop upstairs, which is lovely. And look at this beautiful, beautiful building. On this level, you get a fabulous view of the seafront, and there's a silver Blackpool tower up here as well. So the September Super Saver ticket gives you over 40% off the recommended retail price of the tickets. Adult tickets for the various attractions are under £14 each, and children less than 10. What a lovely view. It's to me gasping like a fish. So there's a Blackpool pass, which is £50 if you buy it online, and that gets you admission into what were all the mailing attractions. So it includes the Gruffalo, Peter Rabbit, etc. There's various different packages available, so you can buy admission into one attraction or 3 attractions, or a bundle package, depending on what you actually want to go and see. So it's quite flexible. So if you are on holiday, or if you're a local person, you would be well advised to take advantage of the offer and then come and enjoy the different attractions. So you can go in the ballroom, you can go in the circus, you can go to the dungeon and Madame Tussauds. And as you can see with these 2 ladies that are just paying to come in, you pay on admission to each of the different attractions. So that's the way that they control it. So you come in and go wherever you want to go in the building, but if you want to go into the circus or into the ballroom or whatever, you've got to pay to actually get admission into that. And I think you've got 90 days to use all your tickets. So I don't think you can stay fairer than that, can you? I think we'll go and have a look upstairs at the coffee shop and the gift shop. There you go, Blackpool Tower Ballroom and the Wurlitzer, and afternoon tea. The flight of stairs. So that's the ballroom. That's the original plasterwork moulded sign, and we're going to go up to the Sea View coffee shop on level 5. Listen to the organist playing. Do 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 do. It's lovely just sitting in there watching them play. Do you know, I would have put money on it that it were a Costa. It's not. It's the Sea View coffee shop from the Blackpool Coffee Company Cafe Bar. Well, well, well. And here we are. Isn't that lovely? You can listen to the music. You can listen to the music playing. Proud to serve Costa. You see, I'm not going completely off my trolley. I thought it were a Costa. So you can listen to the music playing, and you can sit up here at one of these little tables, and you can enjoy the view and enjoy your coffee. What a fantastic view. That is lovely. And if you spend all afternoon running up and downstairs, you get a good cardiac workout as well, which it sounds like I need. Oh, they've moved it again. Everything's been moved. It used to be in there. Ah, it's here. They've put the bar for the coffee shop round here. There you go. Costa Coffee. So this is the coffee bar. This is new. I'm sure this weren't here last time I came up here. It is a little while since I came upstairs, but I can't remember that. So there's a proper little coffee shop. Sandwiches, drinks, crisps, etc. Which is lovely. And a full day's entertainment if you want it. You come for the Tower Eye. And now you get upstairs and there's another little amusement area just down here, all decked out like a little circus tent, which is rather nice. And of course there's plenty of toilets as well. Isn't it lovely? I just noticed this on my way past. These items were discovered when they restored the ceiling in 2021. That's amazing. There's all kinds of stuff in here. There's cigarette packets, which you'd expect. Vicks medicinal pastels. Programmes. Meet Mr. Kalanag. And that's from... Oh, there's no year on it. That's a shame. Monday the 18th of October, Palace Variety Theatre. There's no date on them. Oh, hold on. Is there a date on this? News of the World. There's no date. Oh, just it's the one here. There's no date at the top of these papers. What a shame. 1911 on that one. Oh, June 16th, 1957 on this one here. The new Vactric electric washer. Souvenir programme. Dear Nelly, hoping everything is going along. We are leaving here at 11:45 for London. I've written to Ivy and Mr. Neville all the best, Claire and Harry. It's not really worth writing a postcard for that, is it? Amazing. Amazing, and of course you can do a heritage tour as well. So that's definitely worth it. I'm going back out into the sunshine now. It's gorgeous now, look at that. Totally different view from this level. So there you go, get your September saver ticket and come and enjoy the circus and the ballroom and the dungeon. If I got to pick between those three and the tower top, I'm not sure which one I'd pick. I think I'd do them all. I'd get a bundle ticket and go and see everything that you can. So until next time, I hope you've enjoyed that and we'll see you later. Bye for now.